Hello everyone, welcome back in this channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to discuss on how to increase the column width in Microsoft Excel. So you're going to do it practically. So what I'm going to do is you can follow my pointer. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to open on Microsoft Excel. So I'm going to open on Microsoft Excel and then I'm going to use this information here as an example or as a reference. So basically we adjust or we increase the column width so as to ensure the content fit in every cell. So we have here students who sat for a test in 4 subjects, that is English, chemistry, biology and geography. So as you can see, this is column A, whereby we have their names. Column B, we have the subjects all the way to column E. So basically, as you can see in this column A, these are their names. Their names cannot fit in these cells. So it's hard of us to adjust the column width. So this is what you do. So basically, we want to increase the column width in this column A. So what you're supposed to do is to place the pointer in between column A and B until the mouse pointer changes to a split double arrow in preparation of adjusting the column width. So this is what I'm going to do it practically. So you can follow my pointer. I'm going to place this pointer here in between column A and B until the mouse pointer changes to a split double arrow. As you can see, it have changed to a split double arrow in preparation of adjusting the column width. So what you're supposed to do next, it is to left click on the mouse once and then hold it, and then the next step, it is to drag the mouse to the right. So I'm going to drag the mouse to the right until the screen tip displays the desired column width. So I'm going to scroll to the right. So I'm going to scroll to the right until the screen tip displays the desired column, and then I'm going to release the left click button. As you can see here, now we can be able to read their names clearly. So basically, that is how you can increase or adjust the column width in Microsoft Excel. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. And if you are new in this channel, remember to subscribe, comment, share, like, and also hit on the notification bell so that you'll always be notified on our new uploads. Thank you.